Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate with Nesquik powder. First, gather your ingredients. Nesquik powder, your favorite milk, and a mug. Next, measure out about 2 tablespoons of Nesquik powder into your mug. Then, gently heat approximately 8 ounces of milk on the stove top or in the microwave until it's warm, but not boiling. This ensures a perfectly smooth and delicious drink. Now that your milk is warm, it's time to combine everything. Carefully pour the warm milk over the Nesquik powder in your mug. Make sure to pour slowly to avoid any splashes. Then, take a spoon and stir continuously until all the powder has completely dissolved. You want a smooth, consistent texture without any lumps, ensuring every sip is delightful. Want to elevate your hot chocolate? This is where you can get creative. For a classic treat, add a handful of fluffy marshmallows. If you love extra chocolatey goodness, a drizzle of chocolate syrup on top works wonders. Or, for a truly decadent experience, finish it off with a generous dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy customizing your perfect cup. Your delicious Nesquik hot chocolate is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while it's still warm for the best flavor. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of Nesquik powder next time to suit your preferred sweetness level. And don't forget to quickly rinse your mug and spoon for easy cleanup. Sip, relax, and savor your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.